Today we will learn what Cisco Packet Tracer is used for. So let's begin. Cisco Packet Tracer is a cross-platform visual simulation tool designed by Cisco Systems that allows users to create network topologies and modern computer networks. It is a cross-platform software available for Linux, Android, iOS and Microsoft Windows. It is also available in different languages such as English, Russian, German, Spanish and French. The software allows users to simulate the configuration of Cisco routers and switches using a simulated command line interface. Packet Tracer makes use of a drag and drop user interface, allowing users to add and remove simulated network devices as they see fit. The software is mainly focused towards certified Cisco Network Associate Academy students as an educational tool for helping them learn fundamental CCNA concepts, but it can also be used by any other networking course student, the course that is being offered at university or any other academy. Cisco Packet Tracer is free of cost tool, so you can understand and simulate different networking concepts without spending a single penny. It removes real networking costs, so you will not be buying different hardwares such as routers, switches, wires, etc. It will also help you to experience real-life problems without costing a single penny, making you more comfortable in your career ahead. Packet Tracer can be useful for understanding abstract networking concepts such as enhanced interior gateway routing protocol. By animating these elements in visual form, Packet Tracer is also useful in education by providing additional components such as authoring system, network protocol simulation, and improving knowledge and assessment systems. Hope you have learned what Cisco Packet Tracer is used for or what it is meant for. Hope to see you in next video. Please subscribe.